हेलो एवरीवन। आज की इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे मैं मतलब जो अपना सेटअप होता है नेक्स्ट डे के लिए वो कैसे चूज़ करता हूँ और हाउ आई मेड माई वॉच लिस्ट फॉर नेक्स्ट डे। Let's start with the setup, what I look mainly. So here is a chart of die caps. So first thing I need is like prior uptrend. So this is a huge uptrend which I look for, and also there is a significant increase in volume also, and also rise in this turnover. And the blue bar you can see here is nothing but the bars with a good volume, so which signifies that there is a significant interest from institutions. And then when stocks fall from top after the huge rally, then I'm interested more. Once it undercuts, this is a orange line is 20 moving average, and the green line is 50 moving average. And once it undercuts 20 normally, and when it undercuts 50, it's like a major base, like the base is like little bit big. So when it undercuts both him and then making higher lows, then I am interested at this point. So now it's making higher low. Again, it broke the this low, but it was not major. Again, instantly reversed from there. And also you can see the blue bar with this yellow dot, which means more than half a million of volume, and also more than 5% of the uh, gain for a day. And stock is you can see here consolidating here for very for more than a week. So I am more interested here, and once it's again gives candle like this blue candle, then I'll make my positions. And so this is the basic setup: prior uptrend, then consolidation, and then again prior uptrends, right? So I have made a watch list for tomorrow for 11th of November. So let's go through each names and how setup looks on each names. So this is the setup. First is Thyrocare. Okay. So Thyrocare is like give prior big move, then consolidation, then this big red candle, but it was I think the day after earnings release. So it gap up, opened gap up, and then lose all the gain throughout this that day, and then again now setting up very nicely. Uh, Friday it had a blue dot bar. So this consolidation quality is very good, and also very good prior up move. And also you can also see the history of the stock, which like very smooth moves it give, like of let's say 40 to 50% move. So this was the first name, Thyrocare. It already had earning, and I think earning was pretty good also. So this was the first name. The second name is like CM Pro. So this has even good prior uptrend, very big rally. Then now consolidating, undercut already 20 and 50 moving averages, and now making higher lows. I'm interested at this point because stock is making multiple attempts to break out this level. And also you can see that blue dot bar recently, and then pullback but on a lighter volume, right? You can see volume right here. So the blue dot bar has a 776 k volume, and sorry, 841K, and the other bars you can see has one third volume than that. So stock is not falling more, and many blue dot bars after this bottom and making higher lows. So this was another name for tomorrow. And another name I'm interested in is Jubilant Pharma. Same pattern. So I'm not repeating this every time. You can observe that like huge uptrend or like 40 to 50% rally, then stock enters into consolidation zone, and now stock is making multiple attempts to break this small base. Also at the same time making higher lows, trading above 50 moving average and also 20 moving average, and recently gave a blue dot bar which had pretty good volume. So this was another RAM. This is Sirma, also good. uh, prior uptrend, huge move, then consolidation, and still not strong as other names because here higher loss is missing. But you can see this higher loss is in last few candles. You can notice the higher loss, and also when stock goes up with this blue dot bar, you can see huge volume, 6.48 million of volume, and then not significant volume in this small bars. So clearly there is a huge interest from institutions. Another name is Diacaps, which we have already discussed in the starting. Huge uptrend, then falling consolidation, not able to break the law of the previous swing. So which was this reverse from here and blue dot bar, and now consolidation here, trading above 20 and 50 moving averages. So the main thing is prior uptrend consolidation and again big rally. But main thing to enter in the stock is to you should not enter far from 20 moving average, because if you chase stock, let's say here far like this stock is moving, you buy here, then you have like not much gain. But when you wait for this consolidation to end and making higher lows, stock is trading near 20 moving average. And also there is not any big red candles you can see on the right side of the base, and blue dot bar, so which is good. Another name is syndrome, the same pattern here. So let me show you the prior example. So here was the big uptrend, then consolidation under the 20 moving average, but before touching 50 moving average, it started another rally. So another uptrend, then consolidation, correction. This correction was used. So this is the basic setup: uptrend, consolidation, and another rally. And so you have to enter somewhere around here in this area when stock is making a base around 20 moving average, or sometime when the big is sometime when the base is big, then it make base around 50 moving average. But the thing is, after prior uptrend, consolidation, and another rally. So this is the basic setup that I follow, which is like continuation pattern. So same here, prior uptrend, consolidation. This consolidation was little bit huge, but you can see there is a selling is almost over. Now buyers are are in control, making higher lows. You can see many two blue bars and not any big red bars, so which is good thing. And stock is about to um, reverse from here, but the only concern is it's trading currently below 50 moving average. So once 20 moving average, which is orange line, will be above this green line. So 20 above 50 is the more favorable situation. Another name is Anantraj, which is in data center. So same pattern here, huge uptrend consolidation, make base around 20 and 50. You can see the once it goes below 50, there was a huge buying pressure, and like within a few minutes the stock uh, mug- uh, move again also up. So this is a good base, but also not convincing higher loss, but yeah, it has a good setup. Another name for tomorrow is Aarti Drugs. I think it already had good earning, and today is blue dot bar, more than a million volume. You can see the quality of the base; it's very good, and also prior uptrend it was used. So this is a prior uptrend. This is consolidation, and now I think stock is ready to uh, move upwards. So you should consider this one also. I mean, not any buy sell recommendation, but just sharing how I look at the charts and how I find the setups which are interesting for tomorrow. Another stock is Tilak Nagar TI, same pattern, prior uptrend, consolidation, undercut 50 moving average, made base around 50 moving average, not much correction, then making higher lows, and then little bit pullback to 20, and now it's looking good. Let's see what happens tomorrow. Another setup is Olectra. It had also big prior huge uptrend of like more than 50%, then corrected one sided, then suddenly started making higher lows, and you can see many blue bars on this side, so which is a good sign. Another is Carnex huge uptrend, more than 40-50% consolidation, made a base around 20 moving average, little bit upside, then again pull back to 20, making higher lows, and also this stock is surfing rising 20 moving average, and currently making multiple attempts to break out this small base. So it's also looking good. Another name is Ethenberg. It's a recent IPO listed in May 25. So this was a very huge uptrend, more than like I think 70-80%, or it could be 100 also. Then first time stock came to 50 moving average after making this huge rally, but there was huge buying pressure, so did not close below 50, making base around 50, and now setup is looking good. And another name is Reddington. So for Reddington, this is a huge prior uptrend, fall, consolidation, again buying pressure, fall, buying pressure, and you can see making higher lows. And there is a stock is trying to break this level, making multiple attempts to break out from this level. So it's also looking good on setup. Usha Martin, as you can see, very big uptrend, consolidation, not much correction, only like 50 to 15 to 20%, making base around 20. And as you can see, his stock has already made a new 52-week high today, and also looking good. Okay, so this one is good, but I think there is still earnings is has not released yet, so I'm not interested. So these are the names for tomorrow's to watch out, and some names also looking good, but the earnings is not released yet, so no one knows what happens after earning release to stock. It can gap up or gap down, anything can happen. So currently I'm not buying any stock which have like earnings nearby. So this was the way we how I made my watch list for the next day. And if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any suggestion or any query, please write down it in the comment section. Thank you.